Hi everybody. Today is another important thing I'm going to talk to you. That is why we are eating. That's very important. Eating. Why we are eating? Somebody say, we feel hungry. Yes, it is right. Some people say, we want to live. It is right. Eating, we want to live. Somebody say, we want to grow. That's also right. If you need to grow, we have to eat. But professionally, as a chef, I'm going to give you another answer. That is why we eat. Eating means we provide to the body nutrients. That is the professional answer for cooking purposes. We provide the nutrients to the body. That is the meaning of eating. We'll say the other topic is eating. Okay. Eating. So I said now professionally we have to say eating meaning provide nutrients to the body. Let's talk about what are the nutrients. Number one, is protein. I put number one, you can put number two if you want. But number one is protein, one of the nutrients. Second, carbohydrate. Protein, carbohydrate. Third one, fat. Fourth one, mineral. Fifth one, vitamin. Sixth one, water. Seventh one, fiber. These are the 7 nutrients, very important nutrients to the human life. As a chef, what we are doing, we provide all these nutrients to the human consumption. That is the meaning of eating. The number one, protein. Second, carbohydrate. Third, fat. Fourth, mineral. Fifth, vitamin. Sixth, water. Seventh, fiber. So what is the chef is doing now? He brings all these nutrients to the plate and provide to the customer. That's the chef is doing. So now, keep in mind, eating is provide nutrients to the body. If not, human consumption of nutrients we call eating. Nutrients, because nutrients needed to be grown. Now, what is the chef is doing? He takes the plate, takes the plate, he has to prepare to supply these nutrients to the customer. So he gets protein, carbohydrate, fat, mineral, vitamin, water, and fiber. So to get the protein, what did the chef do? He gets the meat items. particularly meat items has protein, lot of protein. So therefore, chef decide what meat I must give to the customer today. Pork, beef, chicken, fish, and so on. Those type of things, lot of highly protein consists. Therefore, the chef decide, okay, today I am going to give chicken. So I add chicken here. Now I gave number 1 here, protein. Now second, carbohydrate. Now chef decide how the carbohydrate means starches and sugars. Then chef decide carbohydrate, as a carbohydrate I decide today a starch, one kind of starch. Potatoes, pasta, rice, bread, those are all starch food. Then we decide, okay, today I get rice as a starch. Then number 2 came. Number 1, number 2. Now I provide protein, I provide carbohydrate, fat. We can add olive oil, vegetable oil, butter. Those are all fat. Then any other things, oil consists with that. Automatically comes fat. So the chef decide, okay, I put a little bit olive oil to flavor. So automatically fat included. Now the third one came now. Number 3 came. The mineral and vitamin. Now we have to provide. The most of the time we use vegetable. The vegetable has lot of mineral, lot of vitamin. So therefore the chef decide, I give different kind of nice vegetable today. Then we provide number 4 here and number 5 here. Then the vegetable provide mineral and vitamin. Number 1 here, meat. Number 2 here, rice. Number 3 here, olive oil. Number 4 and 5, I decide vegetable. Then the water automatically comes. Vegetable has water, and we add water in different kind of water. The way water comes to the food. Therefore, we don't want to think about particularly how the water supply, but water automatically comes. Vegetable supply water, meat supply water, so therefore automatically water comes. So now number 6 here, water automatically. Number 6. The fiber, 7. The fiber comes, the vegetable has fiber. So vegetable most probably supply the fiber. Fruits supply the fiber, particularly mango. Mango has a lot of fiber. So the mango has a lot of fiber, and other vegetable has a lot of fiber, different kind of vegetable. Celery, it's a lot of fiber. So carrot, fiber is there. So then we supply vegetable or fruits later to supply the fiber to the human consumption. So now you learn eating is providing the nutrients to the body, nutrients to the human consumption to live. What are the nutrients? Protein, carbohydrate, fat, mineral, vitamin, water, and fiber. The chef brings them all together to the plate, all these numbers. Vegetable, meat, vegetable, fat, vegetable, water, and fiber. So now this is called menu planning. The chef decides that one how he prepare the plate for the human consumption. This is the way a chef decide the plate to sell the plate to the customer. How my plate goes to the customer's consumption. That's the way chef decide, thinking about nutrients value, and we adjust them and we provide to the customer. Don't eat, therefore go and any other place, a bun and meat. It doesn't give vegetable. You have to eat vegetable because you need fiber and water and mineral and other things supplied by the water, supplied by the vegetable. Therefore, you have to eat vegetable and fruits always. Meat you eat just to get the protein. Fat automatically, carbohydrate we need to the body. So therefore we eat rice, potatoes, pasta, anything, bread, those are carbohydrate. Therefore you have to eat those things too. Therefore when you eat every day, think about the balance of the food. You have to get protein, carbohydrate, fat, mineral, water, fiber, so on. So those nutrients you have to get to the body when you eat anything, any food, anytime. So therefore don't eat only one thing, a piece of bread and I'm okay now, my tummy is full, I don't want to eat anymore. No, you did not get complete nutrients, balanced food to the body. So therefore think about nutrients. Now let's talk about a little bit how these things activate in the body. The protein helps to build the cells of the body. You have cells, 1,000, million, billion, trillion cells in the body. Those cells build, particularly, I'm talking very important thing only. Particularly protein help to build the cells and energy as well. Carbohydrate, particularly energy. It helps with energy. Fat, it helps energy. Main thing I'm talking about. Lot of things they does. Mineral and vitamin both together repair the cells. To repair, protein build the cells, mineral and vitamin help to repair the cells. Mainly, I'm talking about. Water supplies to the moisturize the body or regulate the temperature of the body. Very helpful. Therefore, you have to drink water. Lot of water waste all the time. All the time wasting water from our body. So therefore, you have to drink a lot of water every day. The fiber, I'm talking about a little bit about this fiber. Fiber is exceptional. The fiber does main two reasons, but lot of things. Fiber we can divide it. The one is soluble. Soluble fiber. The other one is insoluble fiber. The fiber divided into two. One is soluble, insoluble fiber. Those are fiber. The soluble fiber most of the time help to get vital nutrients from the food to the body. Soluble fiber always help to get the vital nutrients from the food to the body. Then the insoluble fiber helps intestinal system tract. The tractor does the same thing. Intestinal tract. Insoluble fiber always help intestinal tract. Both soluble fiber and the insoluble fiber does the same function in the body. This is soluble, it absorbs vital nutrients from the food to the body. Insoluble fiber help to track intestinal system. So, it's very important now. Now you know why we eat, what we get, what is the meaning of eating, providing nutrients to the body. The nutrients are protein, carbohydrate, fat, mineral, vitamin, water, and fiber. Then how the chef decide the plate, it is the menu planning. Menu planning, chef always decide these nutrients, arrangement of the plate. That is, it comes to the plate. That's the way the chef decided the plate. It is called menu engineering or menu planning. The fiber particularly I talk two different fibers. We divided it, soluble fiber and insoluble fiber. The soluble fiber helps to get vital nutrients from the food to the body. Insoluble fiber helps to intestinal tract. Those are the things it does help in the body. Now, I'm going to talk my next video clip, this protein particularly, how help the body. Some people, I talk about the meat only as a protein, not only meat. Vegetarians are getting protein, but they don't eat meat. They eat only vegetable. Vegetarian are eating vegetable. I'm going to explain my next video clip how the vegetables supply the protein. Normally, vegetable has no protein 100%. How do we supply the protein? In short, I mentioned today, the protein is a very complex. The protein consists with amino acid, different kind of amino acid, very complex. So we provide protein mean we provide amino acid to the body. So if you supply protein as a meat, we supply the amino acid. Then I am going to explain next time how we supply the amino acid for the vegetarian without eating meat. Keep in mind, I am going to come. Until that time, I say goodbye to you. Read this one and understand. Don't forget to subscribe to my video. It's very important to you. This is the theory of why we are eating. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Again, see you my next video clip. Thank you very much.